Fuck. High speed coming at you live. Guys, it is hella raining outside. Alright, let me teach you something about driving a stick in the rain. So when it's raining out, guys, there's going to be a lot of spinach. Like your wheels are going to be spinning. And a lot of torque steer. I call it torque steer. What you want to do is try to keep it under 3,000 RPM so you don't, spin the wheels. So, show you the RPMs. See how they're under 3,000 RPMs. I'm going really slow, guys. I'm probably going like 25 miles per hour.